तुमने हमेशा मुझे डांटा। You always scolded me. You always scolded me. मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I am asking you something. I am asking you something. यह शर्ट कितने की है? What is the cost of this shirt? What is the cost of this shirt? मेरे पास 20 रुपये कम हैं। I am short by 20 rupees. I am short by 20 rupees. वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है। She looks like you. She looks like you. आप मुझसे नाराज हैं क्या? Are you annoyed with me? Are you annoyed with me? अब वो काम से भाग नहीं सकता। He can't shirk the work now. He can't shirk the work now. आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी। He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. कुछ चीज़ें हमारे बस में नहीं होती। Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. दरवाजे पे कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing at the door? Who is standing at the door? आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. वह आजकल मौज में है। He is enjoying these days. He is enjoying these days. मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What all can I eat? What all can I eat? उसने मेरा साथ दिया था। He had stood by me. He had stood by me. क्या वहाँ जाना फ़ायदेमंद है? Is it worthwhile going there? Is it worthwhile going there? हम रास्ता भूल गए। We have lost our way. We have lost our way. मुझे किसी तरह पता चल गया। I somehow got to know about it. I somehow got to know about it. मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ। I am saying something. I am saying something. तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? खुद के लिए तो हर कोई करता है। Obviously, everybody does for himself. Obviously, everybody does for himself. तुम कहाँ कुछ कहती हो? You hardly ever speak. You hardly ever speak. अच्छा समय आएगा। Better time will come. Better time will come. मैं तुम्हें नहीं जाने दूंगा। I will not let you go. I will not let you go. वह अपना समय व्यर्थ करता है। He wastes his time. He wastes his time. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था। You shouldn't have said so. You shouldn't have said so. मैं जाना तो चाहता हूँ पर जा नहीं सकता। I want to go but I can't. I want to go but I can't. दिन प्रतिदिन गर्मी बढ़ रही है। It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. आप बिल्कुल समय पर आए हैं। You are just in time. You are just in time. बताओ मुझे क्या करना चाहिए। Tell me what should I do. Tell me what should I do. वो दिल्ली से अभी अभी आया है। He had just come from Delhi. He had just come from Delhi. कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं कि वो पागल है। Needless to say that he is mad. Needless to say that he is mad. ये फ़ायदे का सौदा नहीं है। It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. अपने दांत अच्छी तरह साफ करें। Clean your teeth well. Clean your teeth well. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें। Take care of your health. Take care of your health. मेरे पिता की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता। Nobody can replace my father. Nobody can replace my father. कलम मेज पर है। Pen is on the table. Pen is on the table. मन तो किया उसे एक थप्पड़ लगा दूँ। I felt like slapping him. I felt like slapping him. तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? मैं 1 घंटा पढ़ता हूँ। I study for an hour. I study for an hour. कहीं घूमने जाने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like going somewhere. I feel like going somewhere. 10:05 हुए हैं। It is 10:05. It is 10:05. क्या राम अच्छा है? Is Ram good? Is Ram good? बच्चे किसके साथ हैं? With whom are children? With whom are children? ये लड़का कहाँ पर था? Where was this boy? Where was this boy? उसके पास पेन था। He had a pen. He had a pen. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? मम्मी के पास पैसे नहीं हैं। Mom doesn't have money. Mom doesn't have money. मैं तुमसे लंबा हूँ। I am taller than you. I am taller than you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.